Hello everyone, welcome to Decode ITES. This is a single learning platform for multiple IT infrastructure technologies. Do like, share and subscribe our channel to never miss out our videos. Let's continue with the learning. Let's have a small introduction of myself. My name is Prince Garg. I'm having 3 plus years of work experience and worked on Red Hat, VMware, Windows, Google Cloud, PowerShell, Python and Bash scripting. Kindly follow us on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, and reach out to us on itesfund.com. Welcome back everyone to Decode ITES under the Red Hat 8 learning series. And in this lesson, we will gonna talk about the virtual terminals in Linux. As you might be aware of that, but let me guide you through the section and we'll discuss a bit more deeper to it. So what are these virtual terminals? These are similar to the terminal that we have been using so far under many environments. They are used for executing the commands and offering inputs. Also, the only difference is that we cannot use the mouse with the virtual terminals, and therefore we need to know the keyboard. Virtual terminal enables a number of users to work on different programs at the same time on the same computer. This is the reason why they are one of the most distinguished features of Linux. Now, how to start virtual terminals or start working with virtual terminals? Usually, there are 6 virtual terminals on a Linux operating system. This is a default value, and we can log into them as different users to conduct different tasks. The steps to launch a virtual terminal are like using the keyboard Control plus Alt plus F1. From F1 to F6, you can use to launch the terminals. The second step is entering user ID and password. And the third one is like that now the virtual terminal is ready to work on. You can perform your required tasks. So you must be thinking of how to navigate through the virtual terminals. As I've already said, we can navigate between the 6 virtual terminals using Control plus Alt plus F1 to F6 key. F1 being the first while F6 being the last virtual terminal. Also, we can work on all of them at the same time. To which the virtual terminal we are working on, note that TTY is given at the top. The TTY is the teletype number which we can also know by typing the command TTY. It can show us the virtual terminal number which we are using. The 7th terminal. It is one of which we have been using so far in Linux tutorials. It can be accessed by pressing the below given combination Control Alt F7. Now we come with virtual terminal shortcuts. There are some shortcuts which we should be aware of while working with virtual terminals. You can see the sheet over here, and this consists of like moving the cursor to the start of the current line, moving cursor to the end of the current line. We can use Control plus E, or we can use end button as well. Autocomplete commands. We are already using tab. Erase the current line. Delete the word before the cursor. Deleting the line from the cursor position to the end. Resetting the terminal. Listing the commands executed by the user. Scrolling up in history and enter to execute. Scrolling down in the history and enter to execute. Logging out from the terminal and rebooting the system. So these are the basic options, or you can say the shortcuts we should be aware of while working with virtual terminals. Also, we have already discussed some main and useful, also some major shortcuts and the options which we can use on working with the terminal in our previous videos. So the summary is like virtual terminals are CLIs which execute the user commands. There are 6 virtual terminals which can be launched using the shortcut keys. They offer multi-user environment and up to 6 users can work on them at the same time. Unlike terminals, we can use mouse with terminals. To launch a virtual terminal, we can press Ctrl Alt F126 on the keyboard. Using the same command for navigating through the different terminals. To return to the home screen of the Linux system, we can use Ctrl Alt F7 and it would take you to the terminal, the start terminal which you started working on. So that's all for the virtual terminals part. And if you're having any queries, you can reach out to us on itsfun.com or you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.